Tired of juggling leads and missing out on sales? Let's dive into how to seamlessly integrate your Wix website with Liondesk, transforming your lead capture and management game. First, you'll need accounts with both Wix and Liondesk. Ensure you have an active subscription with both platforms, as compatibility and features are dependent on your plan. Start by logging into your Liondesk account. Once inside, you will need to obtain your unique Liondesk API key. You can find this typically within the settings or integrations area of your Liondesk dashboard. Keep this API key handy, as you will need it. Now, head over to your Wix website editor, navigate to the Apps section or the App Market. Search for an app or integration that is compatible with Liondesk. Because integrations can vary, it is important to know your plan levels on Wix and Liondesk, as this may affect the app compatibilities. Once you found the right app, install it to your Wix website. The installation process usually involves allowing the app to access and interact with your Wix data. Review the permissions carefully, and then authorize the app to connect. Sometimes you have the option to set the location to target where you want the information displayed within your contact form. Once the app is installed, you'll need to configure it. This is where your Liondesk API key comes into play. Enter the API key we obtained earlier into the designated field. The app may offer other settings, such as field mapping, to determine how data from your Wix forms will be sent to Liondesk. Ensure the integration is configured to capture information accurately. Test your integration. Submit a test form through your Wix website. Review your Liondesk CRM to confirm that the lead data, like name, email, and phone number, automatically arrive. Celebrate! You've successfully integrated Wix and Liondesk. Now you can take advantage of automated marketing campaigns and centralized lead management.